Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to add the verify email controller. Okay, so go to your controllers, not in the API gateway yet. Go to auth service and then controllers, and then here I'll create a file called verify-email.ts. Okay, and then as usual, we can just create the function. So export async function, and I'll call this update. Okay, request of type request, and it's coming from Express. Okay, and then the next one is going to be response, also from Express, promise void. Okay, so for this, what we want to do is, first I will get the token from the body, request.body. Okay, and then I'll check if the document exists by this token. Okay, so check if user exists. Okay, this will return I auth document equal to await. Let's get the service. Let's see what the function name is. So it should be get auth user by verification token. Okay, so this right here, and then we pass in the token. Okay, and we need to import this function. It should be token. I always make this mistake. Okay, and what does the function return? Okay, yeah, this is correct. Now if no document, then we throw an error. So throw new bad request error, and then you add the other parts. So I can say verification token is either invalid or is already used. Okay, and then the other part will be verify email update function updates method error. Okay, so if no document is returned based on the token is either invalid or is already used. Otherwise, we are going to update this field. So let's go to the update verify email field. So we're going to use this function. Remember, by default, the email verified field is 0, which is in MySQL table, it indicates false. Now we are going to update it to 1. Okay, and the function takes in the ID, the email verified, so 0 or 1, and the token. Okay, so here this is going to be await, then update email verified field. Okay, now we pass in the ID, so the ID check dot ID, and then we pass in the value 1. So 1 indicates true, 0 indicates false, and then for the token we set it to an empty string. Okay, so this will be used to update the email verified. So once this is called successfully, then the user will automatically be verified. And then I want to get the updated user if I want, so I can call updated user equal to await get let me see if I have what is the name of the function. It's called get auth user by ID. Okay, so here we pass in into this function. Okay, we get the updated user, and then we send res.status status codes dot okay.json, and then a message, email verified successfully, and then we send the user. Okay, so user updated auth user, or whatever this is, updated user. Okay, so this is what we need in order for us to for the user to verify their email. Okay, so here we use the token to get the user document. If it doesn't exist, we show this error. If it does exist, then we update the email verified field, we get the updated document, and then we send the response. Now let's add this to the route. So here I'll call this let me update first, or import this first. This is going to be verify dash email, verify dash email. Okay, so we have this right here. Now let's go ahead and add to the API gateway. Okay, so let's add to the API gateway the verify email controller and route. Okay, here I'll call this verify email.ts, and I think I can just copy this, and then this is going to be verify email, and I'll call this function update. Okay, so for this here, the method that we want, let's see, what is the method called? It seems like we did not add the function right here. As it happens, yeah, I did not add it. Okay, so we can just duplicate this, and then I'll call this maybe verify email. Now this verify email will just take in a token. Okay, so token of type string, and then here it's going to be a put. Okay, it's going to be a put, and we are going to pass the token in the body, and then here is going to be verify email. Yeah, so I did not add the method. Okay, so you can go ahead and add this, and then go to your verify email. You can then call this function. Okay, and then here you can just pass request.token. We don't need the complete body, we just need only the token. Okay, yeah, we don't need this, we can remove it. Okay, and this is going to be okay. I think I need to update the sign in as well. This is supposed to be okay, 200. Okay, so now I have this. Let me add it to the route. So this is going to be a put, and it's going to be verify dash email. Okay, and then we are getting it from this class, and this is going to be updates. I think I already explained why I'm using this prototype. To just remind you, because we have a class here and we have some methods in the class. Now the reason why we're using the class name.prototype is because we are not instantiating. Okay, so if you want to use the class, you just have to instantiate, create a new instance of the class, and then get the method. Okay, so now with this we have added the verify email routes both to the API gateway and the auth service.